It may sound harsh, but the truth is this. Your life today is shaped entirely by your small daily habits. Not by your talent, not by your luck, but by the tiny choices you make every single day. Every successful person says the same thing. Success doesn't happen in one day, but it does start with one day. All of us have big dreams, but we keep avoiding the small tasks required to reach them. The problem? I'll do it tomorrow. I'll start next week. I'm waiting for the perfect moment. These simple sentences become the biggest enemies of our success. Today's story is about a boy just like many of us. A boy with big dreams but a scattered life. And maybe his journey looks a lot like yours. So watch till the end. Because these few minutes today might become the start of a new habit in your life. In a quiet little town lived a boy named Alex. Alex wasn't extraordinary. Not a topper, not a failure. Just average. But his dreams were anything but average. His biggest problem? No discipline. He left tasks unfinished. He couldn't follow routines. He planned a lot, but acted very little. And "I'll start tomorrow" was his favorite line. His parents often advised him, "Build discipline now, or life will become difficult later." But Alex believed that only big efforts created big success. So he simply ignored the small things, not knowing that habits shape the future, not dreams. One afternoon, Alex met a wise old professor in town, Mr. Miguel. The professor smiled and asked, "Alex, do you know the real secret to success?" Alex shook his head. The professor said softly, "Success doesn't come from doing something big in one day. Success comes from becoming slightly better every single day." And then he told a story. A long time ago, a farmer planted a bamboo seed. He watered it every day. He protected it. He took care of the soil. 1 year passed, nothing. 2 years, still nothing. 3 years, absolutely nothing. People started laughing. "Why are you wasting your time? The seed is dead." But the farmer never stopped. He knew something others didn't. Real growth happens underground first. Then, in the 5th year, within just 6 weeks, the bamboo shot up 80 feet into the sky. People were shocked. The farmer said, "It didn't grow in 6 weeks. It grew in 5 years and 6 weeks." The bamboo was strengthening its roots the whole time. Success in life works the same way. Small habits may seem invisible at first, but inside, they're building your foundation. Alex was stunned. For the first time, he realized, I keep chasing big dreams, but I don't follow the small habits that lead to them. He asked, "Sir, what small habits should I start?" The professor smiled. 1. Wake up early with a purpose. Waking up early alone doesn't change your life. Waking up with a purpose does. Use that early hour for journaling, learning, planning, exercise. That 1 extra hour becomes 365 hours a year, almost 15 extra productive days. 2. Read 10 pages daily, not random books. Books that sharpen your mind, build your skills, improve your thinking. 12 powerful books a year equals 12 new versions of yourself. 3. Mini goals instead of mega goals. 200 words a day gives a full book in a year. 10 minutes of learning gives a new skill. A small workout gives a healthy body. Small wins build confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Momentum builds success. 4. The 5-4-3-2-1 action rule. Whenever you want to delay a task, count backward and move immediately. Or follow the 2-minute rule. Do the task for just 2 minutes. Once you start, your brain automatically continues. 5. Gratitude with reflection. Write every night. What am I grateful for today? What could I have done better? What was the best moment of my day? This shifts your mind from complaining to appreciating and improves emotional clarity. 6. 10 minutes of daily exercise, just 10 minutes a day can improve memory, reduce stress, elevate your mood, sharpen your brain. You don't need a gym. Just move. 7. Phone limit plus digital fasting. Your phone should not control your life. Daily rules. Max 30 to 60 minutes of entertainment. 2 hours of digital fasting every day. This increases clarity, focus, and productivity. Alex followed these habits consistently. At first, nothing changed. But after 3 months, his focus improved, his grades improved, his anxiety decreased, his discipline grew, his confidence returned. By the end of the year, Alex wasn't the same boy anymore. He became organized, responsible, and disciplined. A completely upgraded version of himself. Years passed. Alex became a successful entrepreneur. People always asked him, "What's the secret to your success?" He simply smiled and said, "Big results don't come from big efforts. They come from small habits repeated daily." Just like the bamboo, your growth may be invisible at first, but one day you will rise higher than you ever imagined. So tell me, which small habit will you start today? Comment below. And if this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another life-changing story. Until then, be patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.